Have you ever dreamt of painting like Picasso or sculpting like Michelangelo? What if you could design breathtaking landscapes or fantastical creatures, all with the power of words? With Midjourney, this isn't a dream, it's a reality. Midjourney is your portal to a universe of creative possibilities. It's a world where imagination knows no bounds, a place where anyone can be an artist. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. Midjourney is an independent research lab on a mission to expand the imaginative powers of humankind. Their tool, an AI program, also called Midjourney. This program uses the power of language to create stunning visuals. Accessing this creative powerhouse is simple. It lives within Discord, a popular online platform for communities and conversations. This makes joining and using Midjourney as easy as sending a text message. Forget brushes and palettes. In Midjourney, your words are your tools. To create, you simply type a text description, a prompt, into a Discord channel. Imagine a majestic dragon soaring over a volcano. Type it in and watch as the AI brings your vision to life. It's that simple, and the possibilities, they're as limitless as your imagination. Section 4, your creative ally. Midjourney isn't just about making pretty pictures, it's a revolutionary tool that goes beyond the surface, diving deep into the realms of creativity and innovation. It's a tool for sparking creativity, for exploring new ideas, and for bringing your wildest imaginings to life. Imagine having a creative partner that never tires, always ready to help you brainstorm and visualize your concepts. Stuck in a creative rut? We all know that feeling of staring at a blank canvas, waiting for inspiration to strike. But what if you had a tool that could jumpstart your creativity, offering new perspectives and ideas at the click of a button? Use Midjourney to generate unexpected visuals and unlock a wave of fresh inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Midjourney can help you break through creative blocks and discover new possibilities. Need to quickly visualize a concept for a project? In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence. Midjourney allows you to rapidly prototype ideas, experiment with different styles, and present your concepts with confidence. Midjourney helps you rapidly prototype ideas and experiment with different styles. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a technical wizard or a master artist to use it. The intuitive interface and powerful AI make it accessible to everyone, from beginners to professionals. Midjourney empowers anyone, regardless of skill level, to create and explore the world of art. It's a community where creativity knows no bounds, and everyone is encouraged to push the limits of their imagination. So why wait? Dive into the world of Midjourney and let your creativity soar. Section 5, the power of community. Step into the world of Midjourney on Discord and you'll discover more than just an AI tool. It's a vibrant ecosystem where creativity flourishes and connections are made. You'll find a thriving community of fellow creators, all eager to share, learn, and inspire. This is a place where ideas are exchanged freely and every voice is valued. Connect with other artists, exchange ideas and techniques, and collaborate on exciting projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and someone new to meet. Witness the incredible diversity of imagination as people from all walks of life share their unique creations. From digital art to traditional painting, the range of styles and techniques is truly astounding. This sense of shared creativity is what makes Midjourney truly special. It's not just about the art, it's about the people behind the art. The friendships formed, the collaborations that spark new ideas, and the collective energy that drives everyone forward. Here, every piece of art tells a story, and every story adds to the rich tapestry of the community. So dive in, get involved, and be a part of something extraordinary. Section 6. Midjourney in action. The impact of Midjourney extends far beyond the digital canvas. It is revolutionizing the way we approach creativity and innovation in the digital age. Artists are no longer confined to traditional tools. They are now equipped with powerful digital platforms that allow them to explore new dimensions of their craft. With Midjourney, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is one's imagination. Its applications are being explored across a multitude of industries, changing the way we create and innovate. From entertainment to education and from marketing to fashion, Midjourney is making its mark. Professionals from various fields are discovering how this tool can enhance their work, streamline their processes, and open up new avenues for creativity. Game developers are using Midjourney to prototype characters and environments, breathing life into virtual worlds. This tool allows them to quickly iterate on designs, experiment with different styles, and create immersive experiences that captivate players. The ability to visualize and refine concepts in real time is transforming the game development process, making it more efficient and dynamic. Marketing teams are crafting eye-catching visuals for campaigns, captivating audiences with striking imagery. Midjourney enables them to create compelling content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. By leveraging this tool, marketers can produce high-quality visuals that resonate with their target audience, driving engagement and boosting brand awareness. Fashion designers are experimenting with unique patterns and textures, pushing the boundaries of wearable art. Midjourney provides them with the tools to visualize their ideas, experiment with different materials, and create innovative designs that challenge conventional fashion norms. This technology is empowering designers to bring their visions to life in ways that were previously unimaginable. Educators are even leveraging Midjourney's power to create engaging visuals, making learning more interactive and fun. By incorporating dynamic visuals into their lessons, teachers can capture students' attention and enhance their understanding of complex concepts. This tool is transforming the educational landscape, making learning more accessible and enjoyable for students of all ages. Section 7. Your journey begins now. Midjourney is more than just an AI art generator. It's a tool for self-expression, a catalyst for innovation, and a testament to the power of human creativity amplified by artificial intelligence. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Dive into the world of Midjourney. Unleash your imagination. You might just surprise yourself with what you create. The journey of 1,000 masterpieces begins with a single prompt.